Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go ahead and unbox the latest Boxy charm. Alright, so I did go ahead and tear off the label and crack open this seal here. Unfortunately, this box got a little worse for wear. So let's open her up and see what it's all about. And this time it is the After Dark box. No, I don't look at that because it kills the spoilers, of course. So of course we have a little foam insert. Opening her up, the first thing we have is, oh my god, it's falling apart already. Oh no. Well, the lid came off of this. This looks like a Ionic London Prep Set Glow setting spray. Ooh, look at that. That looks pretty fun. Let's just do that again. Take well for even glow and gently spray 12 inches away from your face with the eyes closed. Apply the soothing mist before moisturizer and use to finish makeup. Refresh throughout the day for additional hydration and illumination. Well, you know what that means. 12 inches though, I feel like that's kind of far. What scent is that? Chamomile. It's chamomile extract. That makes sense. Chamomile. So we'll see how this lasts throughout the day. Next up, we have Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors. The box is a little smashed here in the corner. Oh no. I don't think the product would be damaged though. Moment here for Sassy Sienna's. Cranking it open. Oh god. Plastic thing fell out. The colors are not named on the actual palette itself, but it is on the stickers in the back. We do have the little mirror with applicator brush. Alright, I accidentally swapped these out of order, but there they are there. So we do have number 1, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nothing at all to necessarily write home about, but it does look pretty decently pigmented there. Like, alright, I see. We have a couple corals and just some browns. Not necessarily my forte, but I'll still have fun with it. So we have this little number, which is Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Kind of useless for me since I still don't have any brow hair, so won't be testing that at all. Next up from the box, we do have, this looks like Hank and Henry. Ha! Called it. Who's good? Come on, who's good? So this is a Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. So what is this? What does it do? Help me out here. I'm gonna guess one side is a lash primer and the other one's the mascara itself. This is in the color Clout, which doesn't tell me shit because, as you guys may remember from the last unboxing I had with one of their products in it, it was a blickety black eyeliner and the packaging was a brown color. So I thought it would have been a brown eyeliner, but it was black, and Clout doesn't tell me much, and the packaging is exactly the same bronzy brown color. I'm not going to be opening that either. Last but not least, in this BoxyCharm box, we have not one, but 2 Go-To Beauty 24 karat gold sheet masks. The benefits of gold are anti-wrinkle, skin firming and lifting, hydrating, and repairing. So we'll see if these are worth the hype. This is a brand I haven't heard of before, so I'm actually really excited to try it. And that wraps it up for this BoxyCharm. If you guys liked what you saw today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you gorgeouses next time. Take care and bye-bye.